Midsummer 1964. In most places, that means blue skies. At Stonehenge, the forecast is fog. It was cold and damp as we set up our cameras to try to capture the visual evidence that could confirm Professor Hawkins's theory. Up to now, that theory existed only on paper. Dr. Hawkins told us that one picture of the sunrise was all he needed to prove his calculations once and for all. It's a rare morning on Salisbury Plain when the rising sun is not hidden in mist. If it is hidden this morning, Professor Hawkins's theory remains only a theory. But if the sun is visible rising over the heelstone, the 24 alignments keyed to it will each fall into place. If the sun is not visible or is wide of the heelstone, the alignments are meaningless figures on paper. This experiment was filmed exactly as it took place. Our cameras are set to precise specifications, dead center on the Stonehenge axis. We filmed the slow, inexorable path of the sun from where those ancient observers would have stood. And thus, we are now part of a countdown that began 4,000 years ago. Stonehenge man stood here then, tense, expectant, waiting for a God that brought warmth and fertility and life. Now we wait for a door to the past to open, for a fresh insight into the mind of prehistoric man. Evening, midwinter. If the observatory is in order, the sun should set in the arch of the great trilithon. The trilithon is half fallen now, but the sun keeps its ancient appointment.